Hey, this is Kate, and here is how I run my alt accounts on BlueStacks. I have them synced. Oops, actually, I have to hit play to sync them. And then they do the same action on both screens when I have their actions synced. It's kind of tricky. Sometimes you have to line things up. So if you want them to do the same thing, I will have to, like if I want them both together, I'll have to line one up and then line the other one up. Having these screens up is good on my alts because then I can do other stuff in my main and then keep watch on somebody else somewhere while I'm fucking around with my main. So what you have to do is download the BlueStacks. You will have to set up your Google Play account on the BlueStacks. You have to set up, I think, the Google Play games. And you can have multiple BlueStacks with different Google accounts. These two have a different Google account than my main. So I'm trying to figure out how to explain all of this. This is just a quick video. The multi-instance manager is a real key. Also, once you get up and running with BlueStacks, you can play on your computer and then open up this multi-instance manager and have as many instances as you want open. You could be running hundreds of accounts across your screen, and you could synchronize all of them at once with this multi-instance manager. So I'm going to stop the multi-instance manager, open sync operations. So you just have to choose which other screen you want to be synced, and then that instance will be synchronized. I don't know, maybe this is too complicated. Maybe I better start at the beginning. Oh. The other key that I found was the macro manager. So let's see. Let me see what if this does. Join rally. I tried making a macro for joining the rally. Yeah, but there's no rally to join. And then I have one for training the general, so that will, once I line, the problem is you have to be lined up exactly on the sub that you want to train on. Let's see if it'll work. Train general. No, see, I'm not lined up exactly. And I always have my finger on the stop button just in case it fucks it up. There we go. Attack. Stop. Okay, so I just wanted to show you real fast what I'm doing over here, but I'll make a how-to video if you're interested.